Jamaican stories that will have you wondering why people so wicked. The cost of a promotion. Full story. There was a middle-aged man working with a big company in Jamaica operating heavy machinery. He was a hard-working man who learnt the job fast. He was always early and was easy to deal with as well. His managers were so impressed with him that they gave him a promotion faster than many who had been at the company before him. One early morning, someone went in and sabotaged his machine. They fixed it in a way that it would blow him up. He got to work the morning and started to work with his machine. Everyone heard a big blast, and soon enough word spread that his machine was blown to pieces and him with it. His family was devastated. The scene was not for the weak. Bits and pieces of him were scattered all over the place, body parts included. After his funeral service and burial, rumors of a man walking in the workplace at late nights and early morning quickly spread. It is said that to this day, the Duppy of a man has been seen dragging himself with parts of his body missing.
Like and follow for more.